Hello viewers, especially my dear students. This is Gadrianite. Welcome to English class. Dear students, in the last two classes, I introduced you with making WH question. We made questions using why, when and where. Today, we'll make more questions, more WH questions with what, whom, when, which, whose, etc. Okay? What? You know the meaning? Key. To make questions with what, you have to search the object from the sentence. If the object is direct or impersonal, you can make questions with using what. For example, he bought an umbrella. In this sentence, we have got an object. It's called direct object or impersonal object. We can use what in the place of this sort of object, in the direct object or impersonal object. So, start making question, use what at the very first place, and simply make question with the rest. What did he buy? If you want to make question to know the object, you can use what to make question for knowing the reason. An example is, he went there to meet his friend. In this sentence, we have got a reason for an action to meet his friend, and for which we can also use what. Look, here, what should be accompanied by a for, a preposition for. What for? If you want to know the reason, what for did he go there? Maybe it can be written in another way. What did he go there for? These two way is correct. Okay? This is all about what? You can also use what to make question for knowing the subject. Look, the news made him weep. In this sentence, the news is the subject. We can make question to know the subject. Simply use what. As the subject is an impersonal, so what is appropriate here? What made him weep? Remember, to make question for knowing the subject, you should not incorporate do, does, did for making question. what made him leave? Now, I want to make question with whom. Means kaha ke or kaha dilo. Dear learners, if the object of a sentence is personal or indirect, it may be regarded as indirect object or personal object. Then we can make question using whom. For an example, he helped Rina. Here in this sentence, Rina is the object and it is a personal object, I mean indirect object. We can use whom for Rina to make the W expression whom. Did he help? Whom did he help? This is the process for making question using whom. Now, I want to make question with who. Meaning is K or kahara. Dear learners, if the subject of any sentence is a noun or personal noun, then we can make question with who. For example, Sohail made the box. Sohail made the box. We can ask the question who. And for this, we have to replace Sohail by who. Who made the box. Once again, remember here, you need not to add any do, did or does here for making question. Now, I would like to show you how to make question using whose. W-H-O-H, whose means kaha or kahave. Dear students, here in this case, if the sentence has any possessive, you can make question to know the position using whose. An example, Sohail took Rina's pen. Sohail took Rina's pen. Here we have got a possessive, Rina's. We can replace it to make question with whose. Rina's can be replaced by whose. And this pen, this noun should be added after whose. Look. Whose pen? And then makes a simple question. Did Sohail take? Whose pen did Sohail take? You have to remember here that using whose, the relevant noun should be added after it. Pen. Always. If you want to make question with whose. Now, I want to make question with which. which means কোনটি. If you want to know anything specifically, then you can make question using which. An example. He took the red pen. Not any other pen, especially the red pen. He took. And for which, to identify the pen, the red colored pen, you can make question. Or to know the color of the pen, or to know the pen specifically, you can make question using which. A pen, but up to the red, and pen should be added after which. Which pen did he take? Which pen did he take? We can make another question using which for knowing the subject. The tista will arrive at 4 p.m. You have to guess the term, the tista. Probably it is the name of an express train, the tista. And specifically to know the name of the train, you can make question using which. And the tista is the subject of this sentence. Which train will arrive at 4 p.m. Which train will arrive at 4 p.m. Dear students, hope you all have understood this class today, and will arrive here on the next day with making WH question only on how. And I will tell you especially one sense that if the sentences contains any first person, it should be changed into second person. I will also show you which. Okay? Till then, stay home, remain safe. Thank you all.